Microsoft has done it again. They put in settings to better serve you, which has really just caused a lot of support calls for me and frustrations for people using it. Something like, why do my links in Outlook not open in the right browser? My default browser is Chrome, but it's opening in Edge. What's going on? Or even, why did the color suddenly change on me in the background? It was all clear, I could read it, and now it's dark, and I can't. Or even, my documents, they open in a web browser, not my default applications. Like I have Word downloaded, open there. These settings are almost as annoying when a YouTuber tries to advertise their channel in their videos. Something like, oh, you can find us on all social media platforms at NextTechNT, or like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can create more content like this to help serve you. You guys see what I just did there? I advertise my channel while also pointing out how annoying it is to watch that. I totally understand. And sometimes, guys, I just think I'm so clever. I thought that was a really smart way to do that. But anyways, let's get to the point. We're going to make this short and sweet for you guys, and I'm going to show you how to change these settings. So let's hop on over the computer and do that now. All right, the first setting we're going to show you in Outlook is how to change where the links that you open in an email, where they go to the right browser. So we're going to click on File on the top up here. We're going to go down to Options. And then we're under Advanced. So in Advanced, you're going to see a spot that's Open Hyperlinks from Outlook in what? What are we going to open it in? So we're going to choose Default Browser, which that will point to the default browser inside of your Windows computer, whatever you've chosen there in those settings. However, sometimes when you just update your computer, what's real great is Microsoft has decided to point out that you can say Microsoft Edge, and they defaulted to that when an update came out. It was very frustrating. So if you want to change it and you do want all Outlook emails to open to Microsoft Edge, I don't know who would do that, but you click here and you say, yeah, open in Microsoft Edge. And if it is opening in Edge and you want it to open in a different browser, like your default browser, go and click default browser. So those are the two settings there for hyperlink. That one was really annoying, but you know, to better serve you, these settings are here. Finally, the next one I want to touch on real quick. Like I said, if you have Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files, do you want to open them? I never chose this, and it says browser. I would much rather everything open on my desktop so I don't have to go to the browser. So I'm actually going to change that now and choose desktop. And here, since I've changed the settings I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. All right. And finally, for the third setting, you can see here that everything on my screen is what's called dark mode, or they call it the black background. But where you can change that, if it ever changes for you, is you can go up in the File, same spot, go to Options. It's actually going to be in General. And you're going to have a spot here that says Office Theme, and you can choose which theme you want. So I'm going to show you dark gray real quick. We're going to click OK. It changed this, but you'll also see my script over here that's been in Word also changed. That was the same theme. So when you change it, it does change it for all of your Microsoft applications. So we're going to move that back over. I'm going to show you. We're going to go back. It's File, Options, and we're going to go, there's black, which we can show pictures of each of them as I go through the list. So it's black, white, colorful, and then come back here and we'll show you system settings, or basically just follows the system settings that you've chosen within your browser, within your settings application. And that's just going to be like, did I choose light mode or dark mode? I like it black because it takes out even the dark gray for me is a little bit bright. So the black just kind of moves it towards more like dark mode. All right, guys, those are the three settings that I wanted to show you in Outlook that are there to better serve you, obviously, give you more options, whatever you want to call it. For me, it's just a frustration that now I have to look at another spot. But I hope this video helped you out and got the settings back the way you wanted them. If it did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. We really do like creating content like this to help support you in your business or even in your personal life. So if you have any questions, drop a comment below or find us anywhere on social media, NextTechNT. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you next time.